How to change password on Instagram without email or phone number. Hey everybody, in this video I will show you how to change password on Instagram without email or phone number. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once on Instagram, tap on your profile on the bottom right, then select the three horizontal lines on the upper right, then select Settings. Once you're here, scroll down. Log out of your account for the meantime. Once you have now logged out, in here let's try logging in. First, enter your username. Once done, select Forgot Password. Then in here, if you have trouble logging in, enter your username or phone number, depending on which one you remember. Then in here, an SMS link will be sent to your phone number binded to your Instagram account. Now select OK. Now open that message this time and then click on the link. In here, you should be able to open your Instagram once again. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully it was of help. Hopefully you get some value in this one, so please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.